Introduction of Tanna TechBiz Metal Enclosure NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit. NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit. NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit delivers up to 67 TOPS of AI performance, 1.7x improvement over its predecessor, includes Jetson Orin Nano 8GB module and a versatile carrier board, compatible with all Orin Nano and Orin NX modules, features Ampere GPU, 6-core ARM CPU, and multiple connectors, including dual camera support for seamless multitasking and high-performance inference. Note: existing Jetson Nano Orin Developer Kit users can upgrade with software for enhanced performance and generative AI capabilities. Technical specifications. DC power jack, DisplayPort, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, Gigabit Ethernet. M.2 key E, M.2 key M.
GPU extender. L-shaped legs for better support. Jumper pin.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna TechBiz. Together, stay connected.